Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel. Oh yes, we are making some delicious sausage and gravy. We're going to serve this over some eggs and biscuits. So without further ado, let's get this party started. Right now I have a pound of Jimmy Dean's sausage, just the breakfast sausage. And I have the regular, but you can use hot or any other choice that you like. Brown this meat. I'm going to use this one. Of course, you can use any biscuits that you like. I'm going to take this out, put it in a different pan, and then we're going to make our white gravy, okay? This is a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. If you want to use butter, you may. And then I'm going to use a 1/3 cup of flour. Now we just need the grease to heat up just a tad bit. When you're doing roux gravy, you just want to stir the flour in slowly. Later on this week, you guys, stay tuned. I will be making oxtails. We're just gonna keep adding this flour until we get it all in there. Remember to keep stirring. This is not something you can walk away from and come back to, okay? Keep your fire on low if you've never made it before, and just keep on stirring. It's gonna thicken up, don't forget. So add in some pepper. I'll leave all the ingredients below, but not the measurement. So if you like pepper, add more pepper, okay? And then I'm gonna use some Maggi Pollo, a little Maggi, okay? Give it a nice flavor. If you want to use seasoning salt, you can. If you just want to use salt and pepper, you can do that just as well. What's about making this too is you just basically have to eyeball what you're looking at. Sometimes it's good to eyeball it. So I did use a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil and about a 1/2 cup of flour. Now I'm getting that thickness that I'm looking for before I add in the milk. Oh, this smells good. Yeah, we got a 1.5 cups measured, so let's pour the milk in slowly. Now, don't worry about if it looks clumpy. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna cook down and everything's gonna blend in perfectly, okay? Trust me, it's gonna be okay. Switch up. Now we're just gonna pour in our gravy right on top, as such. All right, let me get a little taste of it. Oh, yum yum, right? That tastes good. I think I need a little bit more seasoning, so I'm just gonna add a tad bit of salt because I don't want to overdo it. So I'm going to let this simmer. And now I'm going to get my biscuits ready. See you back in a minute. Our eggs are scrambled. Yum yum. So our biscuits are out of the oven. We're gonna take 2 of these off the plate there. Da-da. Oh. Just like that. Yum yum. Does that not look delicious? You have your sausage gravy over your biscuits and scrambled eggs.